In a world obsessed with the latest and greatest gadgets, there's a growing fascination with the relics of yesteryears. From old cell phones to classic gaming consoles, the revival of outdated technology is more than just a trip down memory lane, it's a journey towards innovation and sustainability. As we delve into the depths of our tech closets, we unearth treasures long forgotten. The resurgence of retro tech devices like the NES Classic Edition and the analog NT Mini is proof that what's old is new again. But the revival of old technology isn't just about nostalgia. It's about reimagining the possibilities of what these devices can do in today's world. Whether it's repurposing old hard drives or giving new life to vintage computers, there's a DIY revolution underway. With this revival comes a new set of challenges. As we dust off our old computers and gadgets, we're faced with performance issues that can't be ignored. So, how do we identify these common performance issues? And more importantly, how do we fix them ourselves? Join us as we explore the world of reviving old tech, from DIY fixes to knowing when it's time to call in the professionals. Because in a world of constant upgrades and planned obsolescence, sometimes the best tech is the one that stood the test of time. Welcome to the revival of old technology. In the fast-paced world of modern workplaces, identifying common performance issues is essential for maintaining productivity and morale. But how do you spot these issues before they escalate? Let's dive into some key strategies outlined in the search results. Firstly, examining past mistakes can provide valuable insights. Consistently fixing problems that slipped through the cracks or weren't addressed by employees could indicate underlying performance issues. Punctuality speaks volumes. Increased tardiness among employees might signal a lack of commitment to their roles, prompting the need for discussions on punctuality and dedication. Engaging in one-on-one interviews allows managers to gain valuable perspectives from employees. These conversations can uncover challenges and shed light on performance-related issues that may have gone unnoticed. Observing employee behavior and the work environment firsthand can offer invaluable insights. How employees interact with their tasks and surroundings can reveal underlying performance issues. Ensuring clarity in job roles and expectations is crucial. Reviewing job descriptions and evaluating training programs can help address any discrepancies impacting performance. By implementing these strategies, organizations can effectively identify and address common performance issues. From evaluating engagement levels to analyzing data trends, proactive measures pave the way for improved productivity, engagement, and overall success. So, you've dug out that old computer from the attic or stumbled upon a box of outdated gadgets. Instead of letting them collect dust, why not breathe new life into them? Let's explore some DIY fixes for repurposing old or broken tech, along with strategies to identify and fix performance issues. One simple DIY fix is repurposing old hard drives into external storage devices. With a few cables and some know-how, you can give new life to these relics of the past. Another option is to donate your old devices. By giving them to organizations or individuals in need, you're not only decluttering your space but also making a difference in someone else's life. Or, if you're looking to make some extra cash, consider selling your old tech to certified refurbishment technicians. They'll work their magic and breathe new life into your old gadgets. But what about identifying and fixing performance issues in software? Creating a local development environment allows you to stress test your code, replicating performance issues and effectively addressing them. Instead of guessing the root cause of performance issues, collect data about your code's performance. Tools like profilers can help you analyze code execution and identify areas for optimization. And don't forget to compare performance data before and after making fixes. Confirming improvements ensures that you're addressing issues effectively and optimizing your code for better efficiency. By following these DIY fixes and strategies for identifying and fixing performance issues, you can breathe new life into old tech and ensure that your software runs smoothly. So, dust off those gadgets and get ready to unleash their full potential. As we embark on the journey of reviving old technology, it's crucial to know when to seek professional help and evaluate whether it's worth reviving the relics of the past or transitioning to new innovations. Firstly, assess the condition of the old tech. If it's severely damaged, outdated, or beyond repair, switching to newer alternatives might be more cost-effective in the long run. Consulting with certified refurbishment technicians can provide valuable insights. They can assess the feasibility and cost of reviving old tech versus investing in new technology, helping you make an informed decision. Keep an eye on industry trends and market demands. If there's a resurgence in interest for old technologies, it might influence your decision to revive them, considering factors like functionality, sentimental value, and cost-effectiveness. Evaluate the performance capabilities and compatibility of the old tech with modern systems and applications. This will help determine its viability for current use and whether it's worth investing in upgrades or transitioning to new technology. By considering these factors and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can make an informed decision on whether to revive old tech or transition to newer technology. It's all about practicality, cost-effectiveness, and relevance in today's ever-evolving technological landscape. Is your once trusty gadget feeling a bit under the weather lately? Don't panic. Recognizing the signs of slowdown and knowing how to address them can breathe new life into your device. First up, sluggish performance. If your gadget feels like it's trudging through molasses, it could be due to malware, background programs hogging resources, or simply aging hardware. Persistent error messages can be another telltale sign of trouble. Sometimes, a clean slate with a fresh software install or updated device drivers can work wonders. Strange noises. That's never a good sign. Unusual sounds could indicate hardware problems, especially if your device has seen its fair share of wear and tear. And let's not forget about peripherals acting up. Often, it's just a matter of checking connections, replacing cables, or updating drivers to get them back on track. But fear not. There are simple fixes you can try first. Clearing cache and keeping your software up to date can work wonders in boosting performance. However, if issues persist despite your efforts, it may be time to call in the pros. Persistent issues and suspected hardware failures warrant professional evaluation to get to the root of the problem. By recognizing these signs of gadget slowdown and taking appropriate action, you can keep your devices running smoothly and efficiently. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your tech in top shape. In the ever-evolving world of technology, knowing how to address performance issues is key to maximizing the lifespan of your devices. By recognizing the signs of gadget slowdown, applying simple fixes, and seeking professional help when needed, you can ensure that your devices keep up with your demands. For more insightful tech tips and tricks, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay ahead of the curve. Remember, a little proactive maintenance can go a long way in keeping your gadgets running smoothly. Take action today and unleash the full potential of your technology.